Hi, welcome back. So, time to break and answer. What actually moment type is going to control in SAP SD or S4 HANA? Let's have a look around here. Options I have already given. Partner determination. There is no relation between moment type and partner determination. Moment type is controlled by your schedule and category. So then option A is wrong. Availability check control. Availability, it controls moment type. Answer B is correct. Okay. So the schedule line controls movement type 601, 656 returns like that, goods issue for 601 like that, movement type it controls. So B and C is correct. Item category. No, item category has its own definition. Item category will be part of your schedule and category determination, but schedule and category won't control your, okay. So all is correct is wrong answer. Next, final transfer of requirements. So the answer is BCF. Three answers are there. So this is how in certification examination or else some corporate examinations will confuse you. Give the choices. You have to choose multiple choices. Below they will give. At least I'm not giving here. Okay. They will give little flexibility. You try here so that you can understand. So this is the answer. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel to get these kind of more videos. Okay. So why I'm speaking a little low? It's night 12:35. Energy is a little low. Okay. So all these are my Udemy courses. If you are really interested, you can subscribe. I'm just providing these links below of this video. Thank you so much. Jai Hind. Good night.